Hi, guys. My name is Mike Walkup. I'm going to be one of the virtual music teachers this year. Um, you can see I'm not really in a classroom. Still haven't been over to the Student Services Center, so I'm not really sure what our space is going to look like or what any of our background is going to look like. So I thought I'd just step outside. It's a beautiful day, um, my last day of freedom, and let you know kind of how music's going to go this year. Um, a little bit about myself. This is my 36th year of teaching music. I've taught everything from preschool all the way through college, vocal music. I was a junior high choir director here in Bentonville for a long time. Then I went over to the dark side and was a band director for a while. I was a band director at the junior highs and assisted at the high school, Bentonville High School. Then went down to middle school beginning band, which I loved. Um, and then went back over to teaching general music and choir when they opened Creekside Middle School. So I was the choir director at Creekside for a couple of years. There was a traveling job that opened up between Brightfield and Creekside, and I took that. I really enjoy getting out in the day and driving between the buildings. And it's all general music, and that's what we're going to talk about now. Your class, general music, is not going to have a whole lot of singing going on. Um, you have to excuse my voice. I had some surgery and it's just not coming back. Before I was a teacher, I was a professional opera singer. And that sounds like, well, we're going to do a lot of singing and we're going to learn. Well, we're not going to do a lot of singing, but we are going to learn about singing. We're going to learn about music. We're going to do some music appreciation. I've got some projects for us that I think will be fun and I think we'll learn a lot doing the projects. Um, I don't know what else there really is to tell you about the class. I'm very excited about it, and I hope you guys are. I'm looking forward to meeting you and getting to know all about you. Um, I think we're going to have a great year, gang. So you hang in there with me. If you have any questions, you can email me at mwalkup, WALKUP, at bentonvillek12.org. I'll be glad to answer any questions you might have. Thanks a lot, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.